Hey Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm.
Boxycharm. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new,
Thanks for coming back.
thanks for coming back. Okay, y'all, so we have been MIA for a minute, but we do have our Boxycharm here, so we are going to do our unboxing. If you want to stick around until the end when you would normally see bloopers, I'll kind of explain where we've been because we've been gone. Gone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the hotel we were gone.
We didn't go to a hotel. Anyway, we've got our Boxycharm here, so let's go through it. So we did get a card, and it is treat your heart out, I guess for Valentine's, but the card actually tells you nothing about any of the products we got, so I have no information on the products we got except for what the packaging says. Yeah. I'm sure I could go look it up, but I'm tired. I don't want to. I'll be honest, I don't want to. Okay. And let me just start out by saying this box is kind of not a great box. It's not a great box. So the first thing we got is Refreshments Pearly Body Wash. We got a body wash. I don't want this. I'm sorry. I go to Bath and Body Works and I get my soap there. Like when it's on sale after Christmas or whatever, I stock up and I buy a bunch. I don't want body wash in a Boxycharm. I just don't want that.
When you put it in your face, you're gonna have pimples.
Yeah, you might have pimples if you put this on your face. I'm sure this is one of those.
Yeah, look ugly.
Yeah, well, okay. I'm sure this is one of those things where they're like, this is a $30 product. I don't want this. It has a smell.
Can I smell it?
I wouldn't. Yeah, it's kind of citrusy. I don't. What do you think? So we're just probably gonna put this to the side.
It smells like watermelon and strawberry.
I don't think it smells like watermelon and strawberries. So this will probably go into a giveaway, and shout out to, it was last month's Boxycharm we did a giveaway, so shout out to the winner. I hope you enjoyed everything that you got. I threw in some extras because I was sick and it took me a couple days longer to mail it off than I had intended on it taking, but I like got really sick and then I had pink eye. That's another story. Okay.
Yay.
Yep, that was from a Boxycharm or an Ipsy or something, but that's hers. Okay, then we have a lipstick from Smashbox, and it's in the shade Out Loud. This shade here, it's like a brownish shade, and you can see it here too. This is not the type of shade that I would generally use. It doesn't really look good on my skin tone. So this will probably go into a giveaway also. I've gotten to a point where I don't want to keep items or even swatch items or do anything with things that I know I'm not going to use when I could pass them along to somebody else. Also doing my taxes, I've realized that giveaway products that I give away in giveaways, that's a tax write-off, where most things like influencers are like, oh, this is a tax write-off, this is a tax write-off. If you do a clothing haul, all those clothes are a tax write-off. They're not, okay? They're not. Me buying an eyeshadow palette and doing a review on it is not a tax write-off, okay? Anyway, we're moving on. We got this from Queen. I assume that's how you pronounce it, Queen. It's a lip rich pigment lipstick liner thing, and we got the shades. I can't read. So one shade is SOS, and the other shade is Spray Tan. Y'all, did you see the TikTok where they were like contouring with the spray tan stuff so that like basically you always kind of have a contoured face? Oh, I'm gonna try that, okay? I'm gonna try it. Oh, cover your face, Coco. Okay, that's the shades that we got. I'm not a big lip liner person, I'll be honest. I'm really not. So this will also go into a giveaway. Thanks, Boxycharm. Well, I mean, it's good for y'all. And I do enjoy the excitement of opening the box and seeing what's going to be in there, and I get to do a video on it, so it's kind of a win, but kind of not when I get a bunch of products I don't want. Now the last two things. We got this palette from Beauty Bakery. It's Proof is in the Pudding, and it looks like some banana pudding. This is what she looks like. She's pretty, and I did use her today. I will say I'm not gonna lie, I don't love the look that I came up with, and I was a little disappointed in the color payoff that I was getting. Let's swatch this. So I'm just gonna go across. You get 9 shadows here. And I used, I don't know, how many did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I used 7 out of the 9. So this is the first 3. I mean, they swatch really nicely, but I'll be honest, I just didn't love. They blended well, I just feel like the color payoff wasn't really that great to me. I also don't think that I've actually used anything from Beauty Bakery. I will say they feel creamy, they do feel nice, but in all honesty, okay, there's the swatches. In all honesty, I will probably never use this palette again. And I feel really bad because I thought, oh, this is beautiful. Do I keep it? Do I use it? Or do I just put it in a giveaway? But I thought these shades are really my type of shades, and it was just pretty, and and they look good swatched. But for me, I didn't love the color payoff I was getting.
Oh, that for me.
Yeah, that's for you. Okay, and the last thing we got is a Rare Beauty foundation. I got 320W. This is Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I'm excited to try this. I hope the shade works for me. Is it gonna work for me? I don't know. I don't know. You think it's gonna work for me? I hope it does. I want to try it. Today I went and I got it. I got that Mario, Makeup by Mario foundation that everybody like was in love with, and let me tell you, I'm not in love with it. I'm actually gonna return it. I don't remember, it was maybe 50 something dollars. I don't remember how much it cost, but when I was in the store, I have it right here. When I was in the store and I'm looking at it, I'm like, I see all of these gold flakes in there. I don't know if I'm gonna love this. I don't love it. Yeah, on camera, my face doesn't even look as good as it normally looks. My pores look really big. Just the flakes, it's a no for me. I like to give things a few tries before I just cancel it, or I'm like, I gotta take this back. I'm not gonna give that a few tries. I mean, it might wear nice, like longevity wise, and the coverage is decent, but the flakes, when I'm standing in front of the bathroom mirror, I can see gold flakes all over my face. When you turn and the light hits, you see all of these gold flakes, and maybe I'm the only person in the world, y'all let me know, but that's a huge no for me. Anyway, so that's the Boxycharm. Generally the video would be longer, but I have no information to give you on any of these products. None whatsoever. Now, if you don't want to hear about what we've been up to because we have been MIA, then you can go ahead and just stop watching the video. But please don't stop watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please comment. It doesn't have to just be a giveaway for you to comment. It's like, comment anything. Something you liked in the box, something you didn't like in the box. Do you agree with me on the Mario thing, or do you not? Just that stuff really helps me and our channel grow. Even just a simple comment that's like, hey, what's going on? How you been? You know? How have we been? We've been sick. We've been very sick, okay?
For a month.
Yeah, for a month, literally. Well, you remember the girls had pink eye, and then I didn't want to do any makeup, so I finished my modules for the online makeup school that I'm going to. What?
I didn't do makeup.
Yeah, we didn't do any makeup. So I finished the modules, but then it came time to doing the homework, and I didn't want to do makeup or anything because I was constantly taking care of them and knew that there was a chance I would get pink eye. So we get over the pink eye thing. We get over it. And then I got sick. Like chills, fever, throwing up, aching body. Like one day I dropped all the kids off at school. I came home. I actually got in bed, which I never get in bed unless it's nighttime. I got in bed. I did not get out of bed until I had to pick them up from school. And then when we came home, I laid on the couch and slept while they sat on the couch with me and looked at their computers until it was time for the big kids to come home. And I actually asked my husband to go get them because I was sick, like really, really sick. Then my man got sick, and then he got pink eye. And then I got pink eye a couple days after him, and then Tita got pink eye, and we are just now.
You got a pink eye?
Well, because I got to take care of all of you. So I had pink eye, and it's been a week now, and I'm finally like comfortable with putting on makeup. But you see, I don't have my contacts in or anything. We're comfortable with it now and not contaminating any of our stuff. But that's why we haven't been filming any videos, and why I haven't furthered in the makeup school. I'm 50% done, and I had to stop because I don't want to move on to the next modules and not have completed the homework. So I need to complete the homework, which will take me some time because you have to like come up with 3 different looks basically all in one sitting, and that will take me like the full time that they're in school. Eek, don't do that. That's not, you're not supposed to blow on your brushes because then you get germs. I learned that in makeup school, but also kind of knew that too. So the makeup school will continue again soon. It's just, you know, I do not want to contaminate or, you know, get my makeup and my brushes and my sponges and everything all pink-eyed out. I just don't want to. So that's where we've been, is homesick, pretty much. I think that's all I really have. There's no real news except for we've been sick. Oh, also, okay, this is something that we have started doing on our TikTok, TWINSTIMESTWO. We have turned that into a cleaning TikTok. So we are on Clean Talk. If you like Clean Talk, go ahead and follow us over there. I started doing those videos, and I am kind of I don't want to toot my own horn, but I'm growing fast over there, okay? Very fast.
Mirror, please.
What?
Mirror, please.
Oh, mirror. Mirror on the wall.
Mama,
Didn't you have a mirror?
Mama, when I just opened this thing, my dress didn't went like this.
Oh, she needs a mirror,
My
guys.
dress got dirty.
Okay, we have some issues, so we have to go. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell,
I'm
all
not
those good
done.
things.
Look at this opening.
Okay, thanks. Oh, she's blocking her face and showing her brush. Thank you. That's good, Coco.
Golden dang brush.
She's got a golden dang brush. My glasses are filthy.
Okay, ready. I can show them my gingerbread.
You're gonna show them?
Yeah. Can I show them one? Hi. Actually, I got 3. I messed my hair up. You
See
had to
that?
wait. I need my new jangs inside of a bag.
We'll wait. We'll
What
wait.
did that shirt said on you? It's a gingerbread.
It's a shameless plug for self
Okay, I
promotion.
got one more. It's a brush.
I just know that.